Took the elevator and now we are heading to check in to Sheraton.
Not too bad.
Not bad.
Outdoors.
Yes.
Turtles. Hey, ukulele lessons maybe. There's a big sand sculpture. Big check-in.
Okay, it works now.
Aloha. Welcome to the Sheraton. We hope you enjoy your stay at one of our highest suites. It's actually not a suite. Over here we have, as you enter, you have the full-length mirror. And I thought there would be lights for the mirror. Anyways, here are your hangers.
Safe.
And
you can make coffee, make tea, okay?
okay, I think the type of coffee is pretty important, right?
Okay.
This is the Royal Kona. So it's like Kona coffee, 10% Kona blend. Awesome. That's decaf, and here's non-decaf.
Good.
Awesome. And
Nice. Not much space, but good enough.
under here we have our fridge. Pretty cool.
The lighting is nice. And there's a vanity table here. Pretty nice. All the girls need it.
Walking in, we have this wonderful wood thing design, and we have the sink. Oh, they have Hawaiian Tropic shampoo.
Oh, we bought their sunblock today. It's pretty good. Smells good.
And for other stuff, we have body lotion, Le Grand Bain, the Grand Sink. I think that's what it means. We have towels. And here we have the toilet with all your various functions, as you all know by now.
Okay.
We also have
3
roll.
hooks.
Here's the shower and the tub.
Okay. And there's a door for the bathroom. So you can separate it.
Seems kind of claustrophobic with the door closed. I don't think we should close.
Here we are at the bedroom.
I'll leave it to Alice to.
There's a fake ocean view behind the board. And then here's a nightstand. Pretty nice. You can open this to put down suitcase. The bed's pretty soft, king size. And then here's another table. Not sure what these are.
Water bottles.
Water bottles.
Oh,
Pretty
interesting
big
that
TV.
they were playing some music there.
Lots of space. We can put our stuff in here. And also it won't be messy. The trash can's here, and there's a chair. Okay. Walking space. Is the AC, I think. And there's a chair here. Pretty comfortable. Most importantly, ocean view of, is it Waikiki?
Something like that.
Anyways, let's check it out. And there are lots of birds. I'm kind of scared.
Wow, so cute.
Don't come in, please. Wanna come in?
Wow.
Oh, so beautiful. Oh, lots of people are swimming now. Here's Waikiki. It's the view from 28th floor. Lots of corals. Lots of people swimming in the pool. Lots of surfers over here. Beautiful. live on the 28th floor.
This is 2816.
28.
2816.
The view is awesome.
This is crazy, and you can lie here and just enjoy the view. And I think we're pretty lucky that we got the rooms with the bars, because as you can see, some of the other rooms, they have these like wall things.
Yeah.
My vocabulary is pretty bad, but with those you can't really like enjoy the full view.
You can see all kind of activities here.
Oh, surfing.
It feels so close to the beach.
Crazy.
Yeah, and there's only 31 floor here, and we're on 28.
Might be 32.
It says 31 only.
Maybe 31 guest rooms. I don't know. But you don't get to see Ala Moana or anything. That was pretty crazy too, because you got to see both Diamond Head and the other side. But this is really nice as well.
And there's a beach sofa here. Now we can relax here.
Relaxation time begins now.
We just went snorkel today, so we are pretty tired. Might take a rest. Oh my god, the view. Okay, general, pretty happy.
Not bad.
Not bad, but it's smaller than France.
Yeah.
For the Oceanfront. Where should we eat?
Comparison. I guess.
Yeah, that's another thing, you know? You don't have a small dining table.
I guess here.
Yeah, we'll bring up. How about we eat outside?
Sure, that's a great idea. What a great idea.
We sit on a sofa and we use those tables to eat.
Okay.
Okay. Let's set up. The pool is here. The one we saw on the above floor. Pretty sunny. We're at the infinity pool. That's Waikiki Beach over there. And see all kind of activities. Kayaking, surfing.
Haven't been there yet, even though it's our 7th day or something.
And we will have a surf lesson tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. Wake up at 8 a.m. to come. You know, there's not many people and you can take nice photos. Because at noontime and like nighttime, it will be very, very crowded.
And also, I think the morning sun is hotter.
Yeah.
The sunrise sun.
That's the tips that we have for you. Nice view. Have to say 100 times about
The bracelet is very convenient. You could go to the pool, it could get wet. So we're going down and down the parking lot at Sheraton.
so easy.
You happen to park at a high floor. You have to do this every morning. So you can imagine you're trying to get to Honoma Bay at 6:45 a.m. and trying to beat traffic or trying to get there early.
You need to spend at least 10 minutes in the parking lot.
Seriously. You have to spend time walking to the parking lot. Oh, first, getting out of your door, going in the elevator, going down the elevator, walking all the way to the parking lot elevators, going up those elevators, and then getting to your car, and then driving in circles all the way down this parking lot. So if you do live in the Sheraton, I would highly suggest not parking or like not using your car. Just stay for Waikiki area, walk places. This is quite torture. We just want to go to cities.
Okay, gotta use your handband. Okay, works. Be pretty big bumps. If you have a low Porsche, I don't recommend you live at Sheraton. Nice part is that you come out and you see tons of nice fancy stores. Oh, so good. We're gonna miss this. once we are back, stay here longer. We're considering stay another 2 nights, make it a 10.